For over 35 years, Stillwater Christian School has been committed to offering a high academic education that is rooted in Christ in the Flathead Valley. But the cost of Christian education presents a challenge for some families. At Stillwater Christian School, we strive to make education available regardless of the family's ability to pay. In fact, no student at SCS pays 100% of the cost of Christian education. How do we do this? Through the financial support of generous donors, our endowment fund, and fundraising events like our annual For Such a Time as This event. Instead of passing on the full cost of education, SCS families pay no more than 85%. Think you can't afford a quality Christian education? Think again. At SCS, we are committed to making Christian education affordable for as many families as possible by offering a new program called Variable Tuition. We realize that tuition at SCS is not one size fits all. It's a range that spans from 40 to 85% of the full cost of education. Variable tuition adjusts tuition rates to meet your family's unique financial position. Families interested in variable tuition submit an online application to a third-party agency. This agency evaluates the application and makes a recommendation to the school's variable tuition team. With variable tuition, a quality Christian education has never been more accessible. To learn more, visit stillwaterchristianschool.org/variable tuition.